Hey, how y'all doing? This is Roy with Next Phase Black. And back to you with another video here. So today I'm gonna be talking about Ghana. Ghana, the motherland. That's where everybody's taking their repatriation journey. So it, when you hear people going to Ghana all the time, you're getting mixed reviews. So you got some good, you got some bad, you got some in between, you got people coming back, you got people saying they'll never leave. And one of the big things when you hear about people from the West, Americans, the UK, going over to Ghana, West Africa, really a lot of parts of Africa, is you hear about, hitting them with the prices, hitting them in the pockets, taking advantage of the Westerners when they come over. Which, yeah, I mean, that's anywhere. We get taken advantage here in the West all the time. You don't hear people complain at all. So, but neither here nor there. So, what I'm throwing at you today is I follow a lot of stuff happening in Africa, and when I say that, I'm talking about a lot of people leaving America to go to Africa for various reasons, whether it be their new home, whether it be business ventures, um, wherever the case may be. So I follow so many YouTubers here and there. And from what I see, there's a few that it seems like you can trust, and a few that you can get some good bang for your buck when you're going back to Ghana, especially because Ghana being that's the place to be. Of course, the prices are going to go high. You know, the whole American thing. Demand means the price will get inflated. They taking advantage of that. Can't blame them. So anyway, I've been, like I said, I've been watching a lot of people going over there, and a lot of people trying to stay in Accra. And if you watch like Expat Life Ghana, Io and Tony over there, they'll tell you all the time about how inflation goes and how they even had to switch places because their landlord threw up the rent on them. You know, charging them American prices, them Jay-Z prices, like we all rappers. Um, but so to get to the point, to not make this video too long, uh, two YouTube channels in particular really have caught my attention on what it appears that they can do for the diaspora going back to Africa. A lot of stuff I've seen from both of these YouTubers um, just says value for money, and they seem very trustworthy in my opinion. And the first one I'm going to throw at you is Eric McNeal. All right, Eric McNeal, he does not have a big following at all. Big enough, but not huge. I remember the first time I saw him on YouTube. Uh, God, was it Isa2? I think he was with Ice on Isa2's channel, and she showed his house. Um, it was out in the middle of nowhere. It was hard to get to, and he had it all solar powered. But it was just a thing of beauty. And he had moved over there, and he was doing his thing, living off the land. It was a beautiful thing to see. But anyway, a year or two or three passes, and all of a sudden, I'm watching, and I'm starting to come across this migrating culture crossing, which is a subdivision, just to say the least. That Eric McNeal and some of his buddies, business partners, got together, and they're building self-sufficient homes over there in Ghana. Obviously, it's not in the middle of a crawl, but it seems like he's doing some really good things. I would say, I'm going to put the link in the description below. He has a website as well as a YouTube channel that you can check out his videos. He's making some real nice homes, real good value. They're brand new. The construction seems pretty darn solid. Once again, you look at it for yourself. He did have Jasmine Amma, I think that's the YouTuber's name. She's a little bit more popular. Uh, they have, both of them have a video on their channels with each other, because she was impressed. She also invested in the properties. So Eric McNeal, once again, I'm gonna put the description below. Check him out, and he seems like a trustworthy dude. Always meeting with people, always goes back and forth with people in the comments, not in a bad way, but just to give you all the information on what he's doing. Um, who Number two, Ghana Bound. Yes, Ghana Bound. Great YouTube channel. It seems like they focus more on real estate in Ghana. And when a lot of times people look at the real estate in Ghana and they see all the luxurious stuff, the $1 million homes are, a couple $100,000 homes, and people are saying it's so expensive. Well, when you go to Ghana Bound's channel, you see nice homes, really, really nice homes, and they're not always that price. Just looking on their site not too long ago, not their site, their YouTube channel not too long ago, they were showing like $45,000 homes, brand new. So it's available, it's there. They have a website where you can rent or buy homes through them. They're meeting with everybody, doing interviews all over Ghana, and it seems like they have a good reputation. I haven't seen anything bad about them, but it's just another place to look at to get information on the fact that there are homes that are very affordable, even for us on this side of the ocean, that aren't in the greatest of financial situations. And when I say, I just mean we ain't balling, you know what I mean? We comfortable, we all right, but we couldn't buy a second home in America. But if we wanted to go to the motherland, we could definitely afford a second home or just move there all together and be just fine. So just that quick, I just wanted to throw out those two things. Eric McNeal and Ghana Bound. Both of the links will be in the description below. Both of them have websites. Both of them have YouTube channels. And that's about all here for now. Once again, this is Roy. Next Phase Black, where we're all black all the time, worldwide. Y'all have a good one.